Culture is having a direction. Culture is having a community. Culture is having a vision. Culture is having core values. Culture is having a place that has a future. Culture is the owners leaking through to every aspect of it, and it's leaking up to the owners. Culture is bringing guys and gals together on a common cause. Culture is bonding. Culture is building. Culture is glue. But people need to be glued together, not the products. You need to focus on the right avenue. But that's, if I had a construction company, it'd be one of my focal points from the beginning, creating a purpose, tying in the core values so that everyone can be aligned and letting them know. Like if you're an owner out there of a construction company and you're having people problem, just look at yourself and say, have I told them what I'm trying to do with my company? Have I told them where we're trying to go? I tell them how to build a house. I tell them how to build a cabinet. I tell them how to fix a plumbing leak. I tell them how to do, but have I told them what this company is about and where we're trying to go? Do it tomorrow. Wake up tomorrow. Tell your people where you're trying to go. You'll get more engagement from that moment on, just by letting them know that, hey, this guy's thinking past his nose.
I agree with that, and you're probably gonna have to tell them multiple times and tell the story, because what ends up happening is we create a reputation, like, and they hear stuff all the time, or like, hey, the new trucks are showing up, or the whatever.